In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color a database in Notion. We're going to use Notion's conditional color feature to make your database easier to scan at a glance. This is perfect for highlighting statuses, priorities, or any property that helps you quickly understand what needs attention. Start by opening the database view you want to format. Make sure you are in the exact view table, board, list, or another where you want the color to appear, since settings can be customized per Volt IU. Next, look to the top right corner of your database and open the menu. Depending on your layout, this might be the three-dot menu or a small settings icon that looks like sliders. This is where view level options live. From there, choose conditional color under the view settings. This opens the panel where all your color rules will live. Click New Color Setting to create your first rule. Now, choose the database property you want to use as the condition. Common choices are a status or priority property, but you can select any property that makes sense for your workflow. Make sure you are referencing the property your team actually uses, with consistent values, so your rule will catch the right items. Define the rule by setting the condition that property must meet. For example, you might choose status is in progress, or priority is high. Be precise here, your color will only apply when the condition is exactly true. Next, pick a page background color that will apply when the condition is met. You can choose to match the property's tag color if you want perfect consistency across your database, or set a specific color independently if you prefer a different visual cue. Aim for a color that communicates meaning without overwhelming the page. If you are in a table view, you'll also see an option to apply the color to the entire row or just the property cell. Coloring the whole row is great for quick scanning, while coloring only the cell keeps the emphasis subtle and focused. To build a richer visual system, click Add Another to set up multiple conditional rules. These rules are prioritized from top to bottom, so place the most specific or most important rules first. If two rules could apply to the same page, the one higher in the list will take precedence. That's it. Open the view, set your conditions, choose your colors, and stack rules in the right order. With a few well-chosen settings, your Notion database becomes instantly more readable. Thanks for watching.